What?
Right? So, fun fact, I've never used this lens before, and I've had it for like 5 years now. Never thought to use it. I always use the same lens, that's why. So I thought today is the day that I'm gonna use this lens. It's the 70 to 300 millimeter lens, and we're gonna try it out. Okay, let's have you over there, Serenity, with your blue shoes.
Here or...
You can't miss Serenity, you just see her, the blue shoes. You know where she is. Could you please stand right here in the middle? The thing is, I'm afraid to like this because it's so heavy. You guys, it's ginormous. It's so heavy. So if I did end up liking it, I would have to make sacrifices in my life, and I don't want to do that. Just like in any, if you get into a relationship with someone, and never mind, you guys get it. Oh my goodness, I have to show you this. Hold on, Serenity, I'm gonna show you this. This is crazy. Okay, look at this picture. Look, I just took this from all the way over there.
What?
Right?
That's great, and that looks so good. Wow.
Right?
That's gonna be one of your new favorite lenses, probably.
Oh no, I don't want this. Wow. Oh, you're gonna like these. But they're very like pretty and cute. So if you don't like, if you like more of the, not rugged, if you like the background showing a little bit more, and you don't like the creamy bokeh look, you might not like this. So I'm gonna I'm gonna back up I'm gonna back a lot up. Literally, I'm doing like a portrait from here. If you don't like your model, you can use this lens and not have to communicate with them. But I like Serenity, so. I was like, if you don't like your model, you can get this and then just shoot with it. If you can't stand someone, use this lens. If you have annoying clients, use this lens. I don't know, just joking. I can back up all the way over here. It just keeps going. I could back up. Wow. So I'm shooting from here up right now. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, it's a beautiful lens. Look at those pictures. Those are really beautiful. The light is pretty. The lens is really beautiful. We're gonna back up a little further to get her full body. Okay, let's see. Still, I have to back up still even more. Oh my God. Okay, so let's go all the way over here. Just to get your full body, I have to go all the way back here. Okay. Stay right there. I mean, I could get used to this, to be honest with you. This is really pretty. I'm liking this a lot. Great job. Can you hear me? Yeah. Okay. So we're backed up quite a bit. I'm at the very end. I'm at 300 millimeter right now. You're doing amazing. Can you be sitting on the bench? Come in a little closer. Great job. It's the light that's kind of tricky here. Yeah, maybe right here. So this is that lens that all those photographers use when they're shooting with the models. If you like bokeh, you would like this lens. Let's bring in your arm a little bit. Yes, just like, kind of even, just a little bit like your elbow. Yeah, right there. Great job.
Am I getting, do I look sweaty?
You know, it's giving you that glow.
It looks good though?
It looks good.
I feel
It looks
really
good.
just like sweaty.
Could you sit right here, please? Facing me. This is a really pretty lens. Man, I'm like disappointed that I like it. I'm like, damn, okay. I don't want to carry, this is heavy. So the downside is that it's heavy, but I will say it's beautiful. We get that nice quality, the bokeh. If you like bokeh, you will like this lens. So this goes to f4. Still pretty good, that's not bad. And it's 70 to 300. And it has 2 modes of image stabilization. I'm not going to mess with that right now. But so far, I'm liking it. Let's have your hands out, maybe like right here. Yeah, just like that. With the green in the back, it's very pretty. I will say, trying to adjust the focal length with up here is a little hard for me. I'm usually used to it being over here, but that's fine. Okay, I'm not, this is really heavy on my hand though.
Just take a break for a minute.
I'm okay, I'm good. I'm just gonna get early arthritis. Yeah, just have you doing like very simple, yeah. Yeah, stand right here. Let's have you standing right here. The last few ones with this lens. So it's a great lens, but it's just so heavy. I can't see myself using it for longer than what we've been here, like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Already feeling it. The weight of this lens is on my shoulder. You know when they say like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders, it's literally this lens, but it's been lifted off my camera. Some photography humor. I think we've got enough. I'm not gonna lie, 300 millimeter, beautiful. It's just, this is so heavy. I do like this. I feel like if you were using a tripod, this will be okay.
Although this lens may be heavy, the quality of the photos is definitely worth a little bit of inconvenience. So overall, I really enjoyed using this lens. I love the photos that we got, and I can't wait to use it in my future photo shoots. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.